Good morning or evening or nighttime.
It's nighttime, but it doesn't really feel like nighttime because it's 8. Well, what did I just say?
Okay, good.
So, before we're gonna go to that video, we're actually gonna build our shower today.
Start building it.
Yes,
Start building it.
I'm gonna finish it tomorrow. We're gonna have a shower. We already said the good news, we don't need to pay for the pump until a little installing.
Good.
Yes. So we're gonna do first a shopping haul of what we bought today, because today the van was packed, as you can see.
Very packed.
Very packed. So let's show you what we got.
Foam. Pasta.
Spray. Gun.
Glue. Silicone.
That's silicone. Alarm. Fire.
Smoke detectors in case we catch fire. Cement mixer. Shower.
Oh, shower.
Shower head.
No, not the shower. So,
Shower head. Anti-mold. Funky.
cleaning thing.
Funky. Pipe for the pump. A lot of thingies for the pump. Oh, for cement.
Cement. We need that now. So this one.
Same thing.
This one.
This is cement.
And a lot of tiny stuff for
For pipe work. For the kitchen sink.
sink. The sink.
For the kitchen sink. I bring it.
Okay. Good.
Yeah.
Sink. That was 22 euros for that sink. Okay, good. Keep going.
Very cheap. Very good deal. We got this now. Trimmer! We got it on a sale because it was the last one left. 74 euros!
74 euros for a trimmer!
Petrol trimmer. Oh, it even has the tag still on.
That's in the 74.
75.
75 we paid for it?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought we paid 40 for it.
40 for a trimmer? Are you crazy? 40 for a trimmer.
So, and we bought, are you okay?
I cut my grass so much. Food! I guess that's part of the haul.
Yes. We went shopping and I bought full block of dry food because we're waiting a snowstorm and David got paranoid about it. And we bought...
Wait, let me put the little bit of... Okay, well we cleaned the fridge.
Yeah, we cleaned
But
half.
look how it's a really nice fridge we got for 120 euros. It's amazing. It has a display and everything.
Good.
Okay, we bought a lot of stuff.
I would like an apple.
I would like an apple as well.
That should not make that too heavy or not slide it too much. Okay, good.
Don't know.
And then we bought.
Okay, well here's darkness. Where's our flashlight? Ah, I know where the flashlight is.
A flashlight.
Flashlight. Oh, we bought the flashlight as well. This one.
Okay, we bought flashlight.
Okay, we need to shine it on you. Give me.
Okay, good. I
Give
shine
me.
it on myself.
You shine it on yourself.
Okay, sing. We're gonna show that.
Don't drop it. Oh my god, it's so dark looking, the video.
We bought a water boiler heater. Water boiler.
Water
80
boiler.
liter.
Show me the boiler. Don't shine the light at the camera.
Boiler, there's a boiler.
So that's an 80-liter water boiler. Very good, that's all
We
there is.
bought a shower.
Still need to take it apart.
This is the bottom, this is the top. And we bought a pump.
Water pump.
Okay,
Yeah,
let's
upside
go.
down.
Install all of that shit now.
So let us show you what we're working with. This is our bathroom, okay? This one is really aggressive today. This is our bathroom. She turned the light on for some reason.
Oh, shower.
So this is the bath. Why do you have the light shining on you? We have light in here. We have fire nicely cooking in here. So it's nice and warm, but it's taking a really long time.
So let's go actually the things we need to do. We need to make that thing now.
Yeah, there's
As you can see, it's falling apart, and I don't know why I'm standing on that one. Make it more just.
it's a bit of a broken one. I mean, it's a tiny corner that's broken.
Yeah.
But it's an angle, so it's a circular angle, which means it's a bit of a tricky one to build for someone who has no idea how to build.
And for someone that doesn't have the tools to
To cut the brick.
the brick.
So we're cutting it with a wood saw.
Oh, but we bought also
Forgot about this.
like 200 kilos of cement.
It's exactly 200 kilos actually.
I know what I'm buying.
We are crazy, right?
Okay, so let's bring a bucket to
I thought cement is much more expensive than 4 euros a bag.
Well,
4 euros, 25 kilos.
at least where we're living, it's cheap. I don't know how it is in
Yeah.
other countries.
We don't know. Look at our vacuum cleaner working hard. You know how good that thing sucks? It's like crazy.
Well, all the dirt is in there though.
Yeah, she told me to put water in and it all got stuck. Okay, let's get to the work. It's been 5 minutes and we have done nothing.
Going. Oh, look at that cleaning thingy. It's a lady on it. Oh my god, so cute. So disgusting.
Throw it out.
I don't know why I'm putting it back there.
Put gloves on when you touch stuff. Where's your gloves? Where's your goggles?
Oh, goggles. I need goggles for making
Headphones.
headphones.
Show me.
Last but not least, we bought a trolley.
A wheelbarrow, I think it's called in English. Isn't that awesome? It's double wheel. Show the wheels. Show the wheels, Dolly.
How do you want me to show the wheels? Oh, I can't do it.
It's 2-wheeled. We already are using
And we
it.
bought a shovel.
We bought a brand new shovel. Look at that spanking new shovel.
That is already dirty.
We already used it for
And-
doing stuff.
Rubber gloves.
Don't know what it's called. If anyone knows, leave us a comment.
Good.
Don't know an English name
So
for it.
I think that's all we bought. I'm not sure if that's all we bought. So let's actually keep going because it's getting late and I want to eat something sweet. But first
We need water to run, right?
Yes, I'm
Your
thirsty.
face is really bright.
Good. Well, that was not that spectacular.
So, we are dry fitting the bricks to see if they fit. The size is a bit off because the cement needs to go in. And for these gaps, we're probably just gonna stick in pieces of brick, chopped up brick, something like that, because I don't know another way to make it a bit better. Here's a bit of a hole. Truly don't know what to put in there. Probably same thing, chopped up brick. Gonna take this cement off from
We
it.
need to make it super level.
And the leveling is done by the concrete. And we need to put concrete pretty much on top of everything
Okay.
to see how it works. Not sure if these holes will match up because there's holes for the old
Shower
shower.
already, yeah.
But we might need to do new holes and just put spachtel in those holes and remove them.
Good.
The other side on, oh no, there's holes as well.
Okay, looks pretty good.
Yeah, it fits actually, and somehow we're one brick too much.
Maybe you can swap one.
Huh?
Maybe you can swap
I think
one.
because I'm putting this one as a big one instead of a half. I think they had a half and tons of all this rubble. I'm just using a big one, which makes way more sense.
Okay.
It's not having a perfect smooth here, but
We can smoothen it up with a...
how, with a sandpaper or something? Sand it off?
Don't know.
Or maybe I just make make the smoothness with cement. I just
Yeah, that's
cement
what
it
I
all
want to say
around.
with cement.
I'll cement the perfect shape because here as well. Look how they did. They didn't do anything perfect. We can maybe put the cement. We have the other cement. I think is made for walls and stuff and cracks, which I think we can apply and it's not gonna break
Okay.
because this cement that we have that we're gonna put is only for building the brick, not for making beautiful things. But we need to clean them all perfectly nice and smooth because this stuff is very fragile and the new cement is not going to hold anything on it. It's just going to fall apart again and it's going to be the same. I don't think this is even cement because it's way too fragile. Don't know how they did this. Look at this. It's like either it's super old or I have no idea. So. Moment of truth. See if it works. I mean, it's gonna work, but see if it pumps water. It's actually really silent. Huh? Okay, well, it's still pumping from the thing. Wait, it's gonna take a while. Okay. So far looks good. It's a bit dark, but I don't know if the water is up yet, but could take a while. I hope I did a good job on the sealing everything. Okay, I'm not seeing any water anywhere. What we will see is this one here will fill up the toilet. So far, nothing. I'm not sure it's correct. Let's see.
So we need to get water for the cement, first of all, and for the pump as well. Oh, shit. And, oh, it's a lot high of water, I mean.
Don't drop the camera or the light inside, please. That doesn't come over. I think it fits through, right?
Okay. So we made a self-made bucket. Does not really want to work.
It works. Slowly.
Okay, so we need to get 19 liters. 19 liters to fill up the pump. And how much liters for the... Pretty good.
That's a good water. Nice color.
I don't see, the bucket is dirty.
The bucket's dirty now. Doesn't stink? What? I'm testing the water. It closed up too much.
So
Yeah, it doesn't have air. So, I need to do it like this. And
lift it up a bit.
give it a bit of air to breathe.
Yeah, there we go.
Probably not plugged into anything, is it?
No.
Can you grab it?
Ow, there's something. Oh, this one stabbed me in my arm. How do we put it? I'm gonna put it sideways or.
No. It goes the way it's meant to go.
Here, instructions. Baba,
Yeah?
I got stuck in the ball.
Throw it over fully over you.
What?
Put it over you.
Here's the instructions.
Nothing else in there?
No.
What?
What else to expect?
How do we hang it? What do I put it on, Baba?
Here's the instructions.
Yeah, instructions.
That will tell you where to put it on.
No, there's
Oh,
only...
I have a door. Oh, wrong way.
There's nothing else in there.
No. There's a box. Here you can get the manual. How much do you want to pay for it? David?
Oh, I broke it.
What do you break? You don't want to pay for the manual? You need to pay for it.
I stole it.
Please pay for it.
Jesus Christ, this thing is not economical though. It's a C class.
Huh?
C class on economics.